Welcome to Kranti Barta, your source for news.
Apaji, Superintendent Engineer, Machkand. First, the fire has been started at vacuum circuit breaker, and the cables are fired, and the fire is catched through cables, and again the fire is transmitted to the entire powerhouse 11 kV cables and control cables. So our Lamtaput fire department came and controlled the fire, and now little bit smoke available in the powerhouse. It is also we are trying to evacuate, and no human damage, human fatality, no human fatal has been happened, and one way lucky, and we have saved the life of the operators, all the operators available at the power station, and also we want to we also minimize the damage, duly controlling the fire in the powerhouse in time. All the public, all the officers, all the revenue department, all the fire department, all the local departments supported us, and supported we saying thank you very much for those departments.
What is the exact straight loss to the project represents, sir?
Straight loss equipment to be assessed. To my knowledge, it is 2 crores will be there, maybe 2 crores.
And how many days it will take for the rest of the
Rest of the powers, we are going to resume the power very soon. We are on the job, and I think we will resume the units and give the supply in short time. Okay.
Thank you for watching Kranti Barta, the source of your news, the voice of the people, the foundation of change.